Alrighty, so I got all my fluids topped off. You got your coolant, washer fluid, oil was good. I went ahead and popped this air filter loose. Went ahead and checked it, and it almost looks like we got a mouse in the air box. He ain't dead. It doesn't stink or anything, so he ain't made his way in there and couldn't find his way out. So I'm gonna build a quote to get this replaced, and because of all that, you don't want none of this going down into your engine. Get this in there, clog up your engine, and then you're in a whole different heyday. So we're gonna need to replace that, and then whenever we replace that, we like to vacuum out this air box, get all that debris and everything out of there. I don't see a little mouse running around in there right now, so that's good.
Awesome. Very good.